out with Nia and Mia.
And our special guest Riri, she's here today for day 11.
Today we're going to be baking brookies, which is a mixture of brownies and the cookies.
And I think we talked about this on day 1. Was that day 1?
Yeah, when we asked each other our favorite desserts.
Yes, that was day 1 when we talked about our favorite desserts and we described brookies, but today Nia's actually going to be baking them. So we just use this Betty Crocker cookie brownie. I got it from Target. We say brookie. It's a combination of brownie and cookie together, but you can say either one. And let's get started.
So first, for our ingredients for the brownie, we're gonna have our egg yolk, our 2 tablespoons of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then our also 1/3 cup of almond milk.
Yes, and we use almond milk because basically Mia has some allergies, so that's why we're using almond milk.
Yeah, because I have a lot of allergies.
Yeah. Okay, use the whisk. Okay, so while she's doing that, we're going to be discussing, what's our topic, Nia, while you're doing this?
Our Christmas Eve plans.
Our Christmas Eve plans?
No, Christmas Day.
I think it was Christmas Eve and Christmas Day plans.
Don't
Okay, so Riri, let's start with you. What do you want to do for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day? Let's start with you.
Monopoly with my uncle and my auntie.
Oh, yes, like we did for Thanksgiving. Yes, Monopoly. Good. Okay.
And I'm gonna ask my grandma to play too.
Okay, what about you, Mia?
My Christmas Eve and Christmas Day plans is to watch a new movie. It's on Netflix. It's called Bad Guys, A Very Bad Holiday.
Now that we're done mixing the brownies, we're moving on to the cookies, which will need 3 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of water. So, Mom, what do you want to do for Christmas?
I'm really cool with doing whatever you guys want to do. We had talked about lights. I forget what it's called. My brother was telling me in his neighborhood. Yeah, but they call it like a special thing where they decorate their houses really, really nice. And we're thinking about doing that. And then we did say Monopoly, like Riri said. And then, the other thing we said was watching the Christmas movies. That's our favorite movies. So if you remember from Vlogmas 2021, we had said like This Christmas and what, do y'all remember the other 4 that we said?
Jingle Jangle.
Jingle Jangle, This Christmas. And I remember we said that holiday movie with the calendar. What was that called?
The Holiday Calendar.
Okay, the Holiday Calendar.
Hey, we also watched Mariah Carey movie.
Mariah Carey?
The animation where she sang her song, it was animation.
I thought the animation one was Snowy Day with Boyz II Men.
No!
Yes, that was it. It was Snowy Day with Boyz II Men because they were singing.
Well, Mariah Carey was in it.
Well, maybe that was the 5th one. So, watching the favorite Christmas movies. Yeah, I mean, just simple stuff with the family, nothing elaborate. What about you, Nia?
What I like to do for Christmas is also spend time with family, play games.
I want to say, we look like a legit cooking show with our glass bowls.
This is gonna be the best baking video
ever. We did the February, the cupcakes. I actually had these bowls, but I forgot about them. Oh, mom life, I need to back up. I had them and I forgot about them. So after we did that video, I was like, wait a minute, I bought bowls. They were still in the package, the original box, so.
like she said, Mom life.
Yeah, I be forgetting stuff. Okay, so I sped this part up. Nia's just mixing the cookie dough, and Mia is spraying the pan with non-stick spray. I had to help her out a little bit. This is her first time really helping with the baking. And I'm showing my melanated Santa plates and mugs. And here, Nia is just pouring the brownie mixture into the pan. We're just trying to make sure we get everything out into the pan. It's I do, we do, you do. So you need to show you're the I do. In case you're wondering, that's the little teacher thing. I do, we do, you do. I do meaning, hold on, let me explain what that means. I do meaning we model what we want someone to do, especially when they're doing it for the first time. We mean we do it together. And then you mean the person that you're teaching does it on their own. So model it first. That's what I do.
First you get some. And then make sure your hands are clean, of course. And then we plop it. And then we shape it like this.
Oh, I know how to do that. Grandma taught me how to do that.
Okay. Watch and listen so you know what's happening.
And now we can put it here. And then we're going to do it 3 by 3 to make 6.
I wash my hands, you guys.
Okay, so here they're just taking turns and they're scooping the cookie dough, putting it to a ball like Nia showed them, and putting it into the brownie. So this is going to create basically the brookie, which is the brownie with the cookie in the middle. And then we're going to put it in the oven. Mia, now that your sister has baking as her hobby, what's your hobby going to be? You haven't picked one yet, right?
I have picked one.
So what is it going to be?
It's probably going to be maybe art. Yeah, art. Because there's a lot of different elements of art. Like music is, people say music can be used as art. People say modeling can be used as art.
Okay, pick one. You're giving me a whole lot of different ones. Pick one.
That's art. Drawing and painting.
What about you, Riri? What's your hobby? Since your sister has baking, what's your hobby?
My hobby is I like to bake brownies.
Oh, so you're going to be like your sister. You're basically going to be her assistant baker?
I basically like to make a brownies with my
Big sis. Okay, so we'll be back in 34 minutes to show you the result.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we're done. So the brookies are done baking.
Our taste test, which we make this all the time. We know it's good, but it's basically the brownies on the outside, the cookies in the middle. And here we're just doing a taste test, saying it turned out perfect. It is so yummy.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified when we upload our next video.